This is one of my favorite recent product page redesigns. So in this video, this is episode number 91 of CRO Insights. I'm going to break down a recent project we did at ConversionWise. We are turning out landing pages every single day. We are getting results for our clients every single day. We've been doing this for 12 years. So make sure you check us out at ConversionWise.com. But let's get into this redesign because I think this is one that you're all going to enjoy. Some dramatic changes here, a huge transformation above the fold on the product page of this store. And we start with our notice bar. It's really good to give our clients flexibility around notice bars. We have now the flexibility to be able to run sales as and when they do. We've got the color here, and then if you zoom down to the pricing section, we've also got the label that matches the color, so there's that continuity between the both, and it just gives them that flexibility when running sales. Point number two, of course guys, you're shouting at me. Famous trust policy bar. It's a bar that rotates below the navigation if you haven't watched this before, and it's just going to help instill trust from a cold consumer clicking an ad that lands on your page. It's going to say things like your money back guarantee, the kind of customer care you offer, the support you offer, how many customers you've served, how many happy customers you have, and it's really going to help bridge that gap of I don't know or trust this brand to okay, they're real, I'm now interested in purchasing. When it comes to the image optimization, one, we've included thumbnails below the main image carousel, a must-have on any e-com store. We've included these arrows either side to indicate that you can scroll through more images, and we've used much better images inside this carousel. We then have that all-important social proof. We have star ratings and review amount, a clear product title, moving down to the pricing, which is better laid out inside the hierarchy of how you lay this out. We then have our one clear call to action above the fold. It's got the price on, a directional cue, and an emotive call to action. But most importantly, there's one. Don't have all these different types of checkout buttons stacked on your product page. These are better performance further down the funnel. Have one clear call to action here. We supported that with expected delivery date so that we can clearly indicate to the customer when they can expect to get the product. This is dynamic based on the average time it takes to deliver the product. And then we have these nice icons and benefit-driven outcomes to anchor that CTA, and it's just a much stronger above the fold. If you want us to transform your store to generate more revenue in 2025, get in touch at ConversionWise.com, smash that like button, let me know what you think of this transformation in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.